How to enable two-factor authentication in Vantage. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can turn on the two-factor authentication in Vantage, which helps you keep your trading account much more secure by adding an extra layer of protection. First of all, open up the Vantage app or website and sign into your account like you normally would. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Security. Inside Account and Security tab, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now on the next page, click on Enable to enable the two-factor authentication. You'll receive a verification code sent to your registered email address. Go open up your inbox first. You'll receive a support email. Click on it to open it up and copy the verification code inside it. You can also manually type it down. After doing so, you'll need to download the Authenticator app. You can download Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go ahead and do that, and once you are done, you'll be able to see this key and the QR code from your Vantage app, copy that, and then go to your Google Authenticator or your Microsoft Authenticator app. Once inside, go to the bottom right and tap the plus icon and click on Enter a Setup Key. Inside your key, paste in the key that you copied. Under account name, type in Vantage. Now click Add, and you have successfully added the Vantage account inside this page. Get back to the Vantage app and click Next, and enter the Google Authenticator code generated by the Authentication app. Get back to the Authentication app, tap on the Vantage code and paste it inside the Vantage app, and you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication. Now, every login will require a special code from your phone, making your account much safer. That's how you enable two-factor authentication in Vantage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.